In this short video, we'll talk about how to use Refworks, the bibliographic citation manager, to organize and keep track of your references. From the library's homepage, click on Databases A to Z and R for Refworks. We'll be using Refworks new version. From this page, you'll be creating an account. Keep in mind that when you type in your email address, your Salve email address, the email to activate your account may go to junk, so you should check there. I have an account, and I'm going to take you on a tour of Refworks capabilities. You can see here that I have 773 references. I've organized these into folders. To click on the down arrow to see all of your folders. I have organized them both by topic and by class, and in this case, I've also created subfolders. To create a new folder, you can click on Add Folder right there, and to create a subfolder, you can click on the three dots to the right of the folder and add a subfolder. My Afghanistan folder has 47 references. I can click on Create Bibliography to create a bibliography, and I've chosen APA 7th edition for my preferred output style, but I could also choose MLA or Chicago or Turabian. You can choose whichever citation style you prefer. Then you can copy your references to the clipboard and right-click to paste them wherever you'd like. If you're using a Word document, you can do it there. Usually, you can export references easily from Google Scholar, EBSCO, Sage, JSTOR, and most of the library's databases and our catalog. Sometimes it's not possible to export a reference and you have to manually create it. If I'm doing so from my Afghanistan folder, I can click on Add and create new reference and choose the type of reference I'm using. This will change the fields that Refwork provides you with. I may be using a web page, so I'll change it to web page. And if, for example, I'm using this piece by Anthony Kordsman, I can use a combination of copying and pasting and hand typing. To create the reference, and I would ordinarily add the other fields, and it will show up in my Afghanistan folder. Another great feature of Refworks is the ease with which you can export from all of the library's search tools. So if, for example, I was searching the catalog and I wanted to use, for example, this book, I could click on Cite in the catalog and export to Refworks. From there, Refworks would give me the option to assign it to a particular folder, and I would tell it to import into that folder, and it would show me that it had done so. We can also do this in the library's article search, which is from the Articles tab on the library homepage. This is our EBSCO search. So this is searching our EBSCO host databases. EBSCO host allows you to export easily as well with a simple export function. If, for example, I was interested in this article, I would click on the title and I would click on Export. This would give me the option to direct export to Refworks, and it would follow the same procedure as the catalog. Our other databases, such as JSTOR and ScienceDirect, also offer Refworks export options, and they all look slightly different, but usually you look for the cite function, and this allows you to export. So for example, if we were interested in this article, we would click on Cite this item, and it would allow us to export to Refworks. From Google Scholar, the export to Refworks option is in this quote button right here. So if you click on quote, you can click on Refworks and it will automatically export. If you would like to talk more about how to use Refworks, please feel free to set up a consultation with me. You can Google Dawn Salve Library and email me. Or you can talk to any of the other librarians and ask questions as well via our Ask a Librarian chat service or by phone.